In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the FastCap FlatBack. Hang on, no. Scrap that, reverse it. It's the ProCarpenter FlatBack from fastcap.com. So how are lads and lasses? Let's get macking. Right, this tape measure, absolutely fantastic it is. I think I mentioned it, a few videos back, but it's actually a really good tape measure. It is clear to read. It's on a white background, black numbers and red numbers, and it's actually really good. Flat, so you can easily measure. Bring you in. It's flat, so you can easily mark out your different points. So for example, 20 centimeters, bingo, 20 centimeters, because it's that easy. It's got a lock here and also a push lock here. Now, when comparing with other tape measures, now each tape measure has their own usefulness, but comparing with other tape measures, if you wanted to do, for example, a 20 centimeter on here, you've got to, so you can accurately mark it, you've got to push down on there, and then you run the risk of the tape measure tipping like that. I've done that plenty of times. So when I got this tape measure, I loved it. I use this all of the time because I can just easily mark out without the worry of the tape measure tipping on me. So that's it for this video. But if you want to see a video on tape measures and the reasons why you should only use one tape measure per project, look at this video. Or if you're in the market to buy a new table saw, look at this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment. I really appreciate it. See you on the next one.